Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I am here to introduce the new Reverse Scallop die set, one in full slimline size and then the other in an A2 size. I'm going to put the measurements here on the screen for the A2 size for the largest die and also for the slimline die. Both of these dies have great stitching detail and is a 3-part nested set. This one also includes some stars for fun. So check out in Kat's new release, the Reverse Scallop die, both in slimline and A2 size. And here I made an example for you to see. I made a shaker and it is featuring her wonderful Summer Vibes paper pack. These two are also in the Kat Scrappiness store. Happy Summer Word die and the Summer Essentials set. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Check out the new release at Kat Scrappiness. Bye.